Hi, I'm Kara with Pike Nurseries, here to talk about how to choose the perfect houseplants for your home or office. Before choosing your indoor plants, you need to know how much natural light you get in the space where you want the plants to live. Light is the most important element for growing happy and healthy houseplants. There are three basic light categories for houseplants: high, medium, and low. There is an easy way to determine how much natural light you have in your home. We call it the paper test, and here's how to do it. First, you want to grab a piece of white paper and hold your hand about 8 inches above it. If you see a clearly defined shadow of your hand, you have highlight. If you see a fuzzy or less defined shadow, you have medium light, and if you see no shadow at all, you have low light. If you have your heart set on a specific plant and need to find the best place for it, figure out which cardinal directions your home's windows face and place the plant accordingly. South-facing windows get the most light throughout the whole day. West-facing windows get intense afternoon sun, so south and west windows are the best places for plants that require high light. East-facing windows receive morning sun, which is less intense than afternoon sun. This is a good spot for medium light plants. North-facing windows are perfect for low light plants. Medium light plants can also thrive near north-facing windows in summer, but will need to be moved to a brighter spot in winter months when less sunlight is available. If there's a plant you love but it won't survive in that room's lighting, try a faux plant. Now that you know how much light you have, you're ready to pick out your houseplants. Come visit our certified plant experts and let us help you pick out the perfect houseplant. Or order online for curbside pickup or local delivery at pikenursery.com.